Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Spare. I am Arun and today we are making distance measurement using ultrasonic sensor and NodeMCU. Let's do not waste any more time and get into it. Firstly, you do the connection as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect the VCC to VIN, ground pin to the ground pin of NodeMCU and trigger pin to D6 and echo pin to D5. Let's check first working of ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine the distance of an object. Here the ultrasonic transmitter emits high frequency sound. The sound waves travels through the air. If it finds an object, it bounces back to the module. The ultrasonic receivers receives the reflected sound and hence the distance is calculated. Okay, now we'll look into the code part. We'll open Arduino IDE. This is the code for distance measurement using NodeMCU. Here we have defined the trigger pin and echo pin, trigger pin to D6 and echo pin to D5. Here we have defined sound velocity and centimeter to inches conversion rate. We have defined three variables: duration, distance centimeter and distance in inch. In the setup function, there is a serial.begin function, trigger as output pin and echo as an input pin. In the void loop function, we clear the trigger pin by using a digital write low. Then we set the trigger pin on high for 10 microsecond delay. Here in duration, we check the sound wave using pulse in function. Afterwards, we calculate the distance using this formula, duration into sound velocity by 2, convert it to the inches using this formula and print it on the serial monitor. You can also use LCD if you want. This is the simple code for distance measurement. Now we will upload the code. Click on tools, check for the port if it is selected or not and upload it. It will take time. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe.